Lifespan Concealed Rafter Brackets. Lifespan Concealed Rafter Brackets give you a discreet, durable hold while opening up more versatile design options for your outdoor projects. Perfect for supporting horizontal or vertical beams, these brackets let you create unique layouts with clean, professional results. Sitting inside the hollow chambers of Lifespan beams, each bracket fastens to upright or vertical supports with just one screw per side, keeping fixings nearly invisible while providing a long-lasting hold. Here's how to easily install Lifespan using the concealed rafter brackets. Step 1. Mark and drill. Unfold the included template and match it to your beam size. Position it on the substrate where your beam will go and mark the holes. No pre-drilling is needed when fixing to composite beams. For aluminium or other materials, drill according to supplier instructions and use a suitable drill torque setting to protect the fastener and bit. Step 2. Install brackets. Fix each bracket onto the substrate using the pre-marked holes. Step 3. Mount the beam. Slide the beam over the brackets and fasten through the beam into each bracket using your chosen screw. Using self-drilling screws can reduce the need for pre-drilling. The single screw design keeps installation simple and your fixings discreet. Congratulations! You have now completed installation using Lifespan Concealed Rafter Brackets, giving you the freedom to create versatile outdoor structures with a strong, seamless finish.